2013 GMC Sierra Denali, 1-owner clean Carfax. Heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty air-to-oil external engine oil cooler and heavy-duty auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, high-performance suspension package, Sierra 1500 Denali, 4D crew cab, AWD, and leather. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of this wonderful 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. Climb into the Sierra 1500 for a smooth and silky ride that is sure to impress. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.